If you've been thinking about getting a 3D printer, you already know how exciting it can be to create your own models, prototypes, toys, or custom parts right from home. The thing is, not all 3D printers feel the same. Some are better for beginners and simple projects, while others focus more on speed, detail, or larger prints. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best 3D printers, each one standing out for a different type of user and printing need. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these 3D printers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the KitIQ 3D printer. This is the most budget-friendly 3D printer on our list. The biggest reason this one stands out is the value. You're getting way more than a basic entry-level machine here. You get an enclosed Core XY printer with a 65 degrees Celsius heated chamber, full auto leveling, and speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. So right away, it feels like a very strong package for the category. And because of that, it feels appealing whether you're just starting out or already know your way around 3D printing. The Q2 is built to be easy, but it also gives you features that feel much more advanced. The nozzle itself acts as the leveling sensor, and that helps deliver more accurate first layers and a smoother setup experience overall. Then you've also got a full metal Core XY structure, precision linear rails, and an upgraded 1.5 GT synchronous belt. These all work together to keep printing stable and surfaces looking cleaner. So even when you're printing fast, the machine still feels controlled and refined. And here's what Ryan says. Kiti has really knocked it out of the park with the Q2. Setup was a breeze. From box to first benchmark print took less than an hour, including auto leveling, input shaping, and print time. Printed a handful of things out of PLA/PETG so far, and it's worked like a charm. On top of that, this printer gives you plenty of room to do more as your projects get more ambitious. It handles everyday materials like PLA and PETG with ease, but it also opens the door to tougher options like ABS, TPU, PA, PC, and even carbon or glass fiber composites. And when you pair that with thoughtful extras like the AI camera, power loss recovery, and a triple filtration system with G3 pre-filter, H12 HEPA, and activated carbon, the whole machine just feels more complete. So if you want the strongest all-around value, this is a smart pick. Number 6 is the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. This is the most budget-friendly 3D printer for large objects. You get a generous 320 by 320 by 385 millimeter build volume, and that gives you a lot more freedom when you want to print large objects in one shot. So whether you're working on taller parts, bigger props, or multiple pieces at once, this machine gives you the room to do it comfortably. And just as importantly, it keeps things moving fast. With Clipper firmware, this printer can reach up to 500 millimeters per second. So you're not stuck choosing between a bigger print area and a quicker workflow. You can have both here, and that's a huge reason why it stands out in this category. Then there's the quality side of it. It supports input shaping, pressure advance, and automatic calibration through acceleration sensors on the X and Y axis. Because of that, vibration gets reduced and prints come out looking more precise even when you're pushing faster speeds. And the extrusion setup helps a lot too. You get a dual gear direct drive extruder with a 5.2:1 reduction ratio. And that gives you smoother feeding and stronger control. Plus, the 300 degrees Celsius high temp nozzle, 60-watt ceramic heating element, and automatic PID calibration help it handle PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon really well. And here's what Bobby says. The accuracy of the prints were completely on point without having to print multiple test prints and adjustments. It came ready to rock straight out of the box after assembly. Functions great, seems to be more durable than others in this size range. You can make almost anything you could ever dream of with this machine. Then, to make things even easier, you also get Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN connectivity with one key file transfer. So if you want a bigger print area without spending big, this one delivers. Number 5 is the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. This is the best mainstream resin 3D printer on our list. You're getting resin level detail, but you're also getting a print size that feels seriously useful in real projects. With a 298 by 164 by 300 millimeter build volume, you can create full-size masks, larger cosplay parts, terrain builds, and detailed display pieces without constantly splitting models into smaller sections. And that makes a big difference. It gives you more flexibility right away. You can go after larger resin prints when you want to, and at the same time you can also batch multiple smaller models together and make better use of the plate. Then the print quality side is strong too. It uses Light Turbo 3.0 with a COB light source and Fresnel lens. And that setup keeps the light angle within 3 degrees while delivering over 90% light uniformity. So you get cleaner detail, sharper results, and a more polished finish across the print area. On top of that, when anti-aliasing is enabled and the printer works with its high-precision lid screws, layer lines look more controlled and surfaces come out more refined. So if detail matters to you, this machine definitely gives you a lot to like. And then there's the convenience. The dynamic heating resin vat helps keep resin at an ideal temperature for better print success. You also get resin autofill and one key recycling, which makes resin handling feel much easier and more streamlined. The flip open cover is another nice touch because you can open it with one hand and save space while working. So if you want a resin printer that feels capable and easy to live with, this is a great mainstream choice. Number 4 is the FlashForge Adventurer 5M. This is the best 3D printer for high-speed printing on our list. Speed is the main reason this one earns its place. With a Core XY structure, up to 600 millimeters per second travel speed, and 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration. It's built to move fast and keep your workflow feeling efficient from print to print. So if you want quicker turnarounds and less waiting around, this one makes that part of the experience really easy. And it also keeps setup simple, which helps the speed advantage feel even more real. You get fully automatic bed leveling, so you can spend less time adjusting things manually and more time actually printing. That makes the whole machine feel a lot more approachable too. Then you've got the hardware to support all of that. The 32 cubic millimeters per second high flow nozzle and 35-second warm up to 200 degrees Celsius help it get started quickly. And the 3-second detachable nozzle system is a very smart touch because it makes nozzle swaps feel fast and convenient. At the same time, print quality still gets plenty of attention. The dual fan nozzle setup, vibration compensation, and 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder all help keep prints looking sharp while the machine runs at high speed. Plus, it supports multiple nozzle sizes from 0.25 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters. So you get more flexibility depending on what you want to print. And to make things even smoother, you can use the FlashMaker mobile app for real-time monitoring and easier control. So if you want the fastest feeling printer in the lineup, this is the one to beat. And if you want to know the latest prices for the 3D printers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Tina 2 Basic. This is the best 3D printer for easy beginner setup on our list. What makes this one stand out right away is how easy it is to get going. It comes fully assembled, and you can start your first print in as little as 5 minutes. That's a huge plus if you want something simple and stress-free. It also keeps things very beginner-friendly in day-to-day use. You get auto leveling, a flexible magnetic platform, and offline printing through the micro SD card. So the whole process feels smooth and approachable. And with resume printing, your project can keep going even after an unexpected interruption. On top of that, the dual Z axis rails help improve stability, which gives you cleaner details and more precise results. The compact and lightweight design also makes it easy to place on a desk at home, in a classroom, or in a small workspace. So if you want a starter 3D printer that feels easy and beginner-friendly from day one, this is a great pick. Number 2 is the Giantar Mini 3D printer. This is the best 3D printer on our list for kids and beginners. This thing comes fully assembled, uses simple knob controls, and has one-button filament loading. So it's easy for new users to learn without feeling overwhelmed. And even though it's made to be approachable, it still brings some very solid features to the table. You get 16-point auto leveling, a heated platform, and a removable magnetic build plate. These all help make printing easier and more consistent. That means less guesswork and a smoother experience overall. It also prints at speeds up to 250 millimeters per second, and the direct drive extruder with dual drive metal gears helps with stronger extrusion and better accuracy. On top of that, the 2.4-inch color screen and built-in lighting make it feel even more user-friendly for home or school use. So if you want a mini 3D printer that's simple to learn and just fun to use, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 1 is the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra. This is the best overall 3D printer on our list. This one is built for precision first, and that's what makes it so impressive. With its 10-inch 16K mono LCD, it's designed to capture extremely fine details, smoother surfaces, and more lifelike textures. And that's exactly what you want for intricate models. And then it adds smart features that make the whole process feel more advanced and more efficient. The intelligent tank heating system keeps resin at 30 degrees Celsius for better flow and stronger layer adhesion. That helps improve consistency and print quality. You also get an AI camera with built-in light for real-time monitoring, alerts, and time-lapse recording. On top of that, auto leveling keeps setup easy, while tilt release technology helps boost speeds up to 150 millimeters per hour. The printer also includes smart sensors for residue detection, resin shortage alerts, and leveling failure warnings. That really helps in protecting your workflow. So if you want a resin printer focused on detail, smarter monitoring, and fast high-quality output, this is a standout choice. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect 3D printer. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each 3D printer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.